guys, let's go this way. What we got going on over? Whoa, what's up, Challenger? Oh, Challenger with a three. Oh, I don't even have to say nothing, guys. Y'all see what's going on here. If I had to guess, guys, I would say a 2014, 2015 maybe. Because as you know, now this particular car did not get the Gen 3. Okay, the Gen 3 Pentastar are mainly in the Grand Cherokee, the Durango, and the Pacifica. Okay, so these are likely the Gen 2 Pentastar V6 engine. I would like to know which one failed. Now, guys, I say this all the time. We have become real good at determining which side is affected. Y'all know how it is with warranty. You have to replace the ones that's noisy. So due to merely looking at these parts, this is not under warranty, simply because you have every valve train part right here. Okay, so this obviously customer pay. Now I want to know, I don't see a cam. Well, I take that back. There's a camshaft right there, so you're obviously going with a camshaft. Now let me see how good I am at pinpointing which camshaft is at fault. Okay, now by merely looking at it and not listening, I can't tell. So guys, what I'm gonna do is perform what I call the JT field test. Alright, that's merely your thumb and your index finger. Alright, use that to grab the rocker and shake and feel and pull. Remember guys, make sure the cam lobes are up off of the rocker. It's the only way you're gonna get an accurate reading. That one is solid still, not moving at all. Cam lobes are up. Alright, grab this rocker on, move it, twist it, turn it. It will not move. It's likely not the culprit. Alright, let's move to cylinder 246. Let's move to cylinder 6. Alright, cam lobes are down, guys, so the field test will not work properly. It still will work not as properly as it would if the cam lobes up. Okay, they're locked down solid, but that could be because the cam lobes are down. Okay, you're not going to have all cylinder cam lobe up on any given camshaft. Okay, just the engine doesn't rotate like that. All right, let's move to the exhaust camshaft. All right, cylinder 2. Cam lobes are fairly on the rocker, guys, so this test will be, quite frankly, inaccurate. All right, cam lobes are up on cylinder 4 on the exhaust side. So let's grab. Feel a little bit, guys. In fact, I can see a little. All right, let's try. Ooh, I really look at that, guys. That lobe, that's probably my culprit. Yep. Y'all hear that? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the culprit. You can see the camshaft lobe is starting to eat into the. You hear that? That's your ticking noise. Because that rocker failed, the camshaft lobe are starting to eat into it. Okay, this lobe look good, so it's likely these rockers are good. So I can only assume the technician want to replace every valve train part on this particular head, so he won't have that problem again. So this is what the camshaft start to eat into. The upper part right here of this rocker, the camshaft lobe loves to chew into that, which will make it necessary to replace the camshaft. Okay, so that should be on the exhaust. This is on the exhaust because the manifold is right there, guys. Obviously, this is the intake camshaft. All right, it's in the intake port area. All right, remember I told y'all the importance of marking everything before you disassemble anything. Okay, guys, I have a video right here. Go look at. This is for bank 2. This video I'm pointing at right now. That's bank 2 cylinder head valve train repair. All right. I even used a special tool. I'll show you how the special tool is used to perform that task. Okay, now same goes for bank 1. In the event you have to repair bank 1, I also have a video right here. I want you to look at it. I'm utilizing the special tool on bank 1. It shows you how to do it properly, guys. Okay, this is not that hard, not that deep, but I want you to maintain, keep in mind the importance of getting it done before you wear out a lobe on the camshaft. All right, that's it, guys. All right, guys, let's go this way. What do we have? Oh, Grand Cherokee. Oh, new. Oh, 6.4 Hemi, guys. 6.4 Hemi. What are we doing to this 6.4 Hemi? Okay, looks like coolant leaks, ladies and gentlemen. All right, simple, guys. It's like a water pump. Okay, guys, I know somebody brought this to my attention. I brag a lot on OEM uh, water pumps. I don't think I've ever bragged on a Hemi OEM water pump. Now, those water pumps that I was bragging on was actually the little water pump for the PT Cruiser, the four-cylinder engine. I'm not a big fan of these water pump. I am a big fan of Mopar OEM parts. Okay, now hopefully, guys, and here's my thinking behind it is the new parts that we put on are better quality. But for the most part, I have done countless water pumps on Hemi engines that the bearings simply fail. You get growling noise, you get leaks, you get all kinds of crazy noise. So yes, the first year production water pumps, I guess, was crap. So the ones we're putting on now, we're not actually replacing again because they're holding up. So maybe somebody got an FCA ear, the vendors giving us better quality bearings, because it's always the bearings right inside of here. I don't know if y'all ever heard it. Do not get tricked by that noise. In fact, I have a video right here. I want y'all to go take a listen, look at that and listen. These noise, you can spin that. It's just the bearings is extremely noise. So a lot of people tend to think they have engine failure when in fact it's a bearing failure. Okay, so it looks like this looks like it may be the new water pump. They also, well, maybe the old water pump. I don't know. I don't see a water pump around. And actually, this looks like a new water pump. It looks like he just is in for, I don't see a radiator right here, guys. So he's actually, yeah, there's no need to do all that to do a water pump. So that water pump has been replaced. But from look, oh, wow, what do you know, guys? Here's the old radiator right here. So they're getting a new radiator. In fact, there's the new radiator right there. All right, radiator leaking. It happens, guys. Do not blame that on FCA. Do not blame that on the car. Do not go saying Jeep's a piece of junk because the radiator leaks. No, it happens on any given car, guys. All right, these are fairly easy, guys. So that's what's going on. 6.4 in a Grand Cherokee. Wow. Okay. Let's go this way, guys.